Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making a rain gauge. This is super fun and super easy. So all you need is an empty plastic bottle, some sellotape, some scissors, a black or any colour really, pen and a measuring tape or a ruler. It's totally up to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your label off your plastic bottle like so, and then you're going to take the lid off, make sure it's clean, and what we're going to do is we are going to cut the top off our bottle. So depending on how big your bottle is, maybe about a quarter of the way down or a little bit less if it's a smaller bottle. So we're just going to cut the top off. If you need a little bit of help with that, make sure to get it. So just really simple, and you're just going to cut all the way around. Like so, so that you have a bottle like cup like this and your lid like this. So I am just going to neaten up the edges. Now make sure when you're doing this that it's a little bit sharp, so we've got to be careful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the top of the bottle to the bottom so it looks like that upside down. So I'm just going to use my sellotape to do that. If I can find the end. Just cut a little bit off. Just going to stick it like that. And stick it in like that. I'm going to do that sort of all the way around so that it's sticking nice and straight. If your bottle falls in, if your bottle lid doesn't fall in like mine, you maybe don't need to stick it, it's totally up to you. But I'm going to stick mine because it's a little bit loose and we don't want it falling off. Ooh. So we're just going to do exactly the same thing. Stick the edge in like that and then put it over the edge like so. So that is almost done. It's a really simple thing to do and that will catch all the water. I'm going to put another bit of tape on and then I will do the last bit. So once we have stuck the inside of our lid to the bottle like this, so it's not going anywhere like so, and then that's the funnel to catch the water. What we're going to do is we're going to take our measuring tape and we're going to hold it at the top of the bottle to the bottom, but we're going to do it so that the ones are at the bottom and the bigger numbers are closer to the top. Like if I turn it upside down so you can see that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our pen and we're going to mark every centimetre, or you can do inches if you've got only got one that does inches, but I'm going to do centimetres. So just hold it flat. This is a little bit tricky and we're just going to mark, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. So I don't know if we can see those little lines there. So what I'm going to do is once the lines are in, I'm just going to make them a little bit thicker and I'm going to put the numbers next to them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now my bottles almost will be at the top there on 10 if you can see the numbers. So you want to do sort of to the where your funnel bit starts inside your bottle. And that is basically our rain gauge done. So what you want to do with it is you want to sit it somewhere in your garden or outside on your patio maybe, somewhere where it's not going to blow away. So if you've got a little bit of soil, make sure you ask permission before you do it. You can maybe dig a little hole and sit it in the soil like that, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then when it rains, which it will probably do very soon because it's been raining a lot recently, and you can see how much water falls into your cup, into your bottle. So that is your rain gauge. So I hope you have fun, and I will see you all soon.